Here's how to install a garbage disposal into an Elkay Quartz Sink with Perfect Drain. You can follow these same instructions for a stainless steel sink with Perfect Drain. Here are the tools you will need to get started. Set aside the InSinkErator collar, as it's not needed for this installation. To begin, take the Elkay Perfect Drain collar and wrap plumber's putty on the underside of the collar to form a watertight seal. Place the collar inside the Quartz Perfect Drain opening. This is done from the top side of the sink. Wipe away any excess putty with a rag. From under the sink, place the following items in order onto the Elkay Perfect Drain collar. Fiber gasket, backup flange, mounting ring. Secure the items in place with the snap ring and tighten the 3 screws until the mounting ring is secure against the bottom of the sink. If you have a dishwasher and use a dishwasher drainage pipe, you must knock out the drain plug located near the top of the disposal prior to install. If you do not have a dishwasher, disregard this step. Mount the disposal on the mounting ring and then twist to the right until it becomes snug. Use a screwdriver or wrench to gain leverage and further tighten. Install your drainage tailpiece and remaining plumbing to your wall. Hook up your dishwasher drainage hose if applicable. Place the baffle inside the Quartz Perfect Drain. Plug in your unit. Now that your disposal is installed, you can enjoy using your sink and easily dispose of food remnants as you work at the sink.